Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and today's video, well, I've got a pro tip for you on how we install center islands in a kitchen. You know, when you attach base cabinets or you attach wall cabinets, you've got a wall to attach to, and there's studs, and we tie in those cabinets to the studs in a wall. But how do you attach a center island when there are no surrounding walls? Well, there's a trick I'm going to show you coming up next. I'm in the shop and I'm standing next to a base cabinet. So here's the thing about center islands. It's an illusion. It's an illusion that it's one solid piece of like furniture. But the truth is about center islands is it's a collection of many base cabinets that are joined together in a particular configuration. And that configuration is generally determined by, well, the space available in your kitchen and your personal taste, whether or not you want a large center island or a small center island. I'm going to show you how to secure your center island to the floor to make it, well, unmovable. And the way you do that is with a cleat. And a cleat can be just as simple as a scrap piece of 2x4. So let me show you how this is done. So I've set up a mock floor. What we're going to do is we're going to take this base cabinet and we're going to set it on its side. Okay, so what we're looking at is we're looking at the bottom of the base cabinet here. That's what this is. Now we have to take just one quick measurement. And what we're going to measure is we're going to measure the distance from this inside wall to this inside wall. That's all we need to do. Okay, what you're looking at is our mock kitchen floor. These reference lines here, well, that represents the distance between the inner walls of our cabinet. So what this does is it tells me where we need to place our cleats. So what we have to do now is we're going to take our cleats and we're going to attach it here. And we're going to take our other cleat and we're going to attach it like so. I've pre-drilled my 2x4s, okay, because you don't want to split the wood. You want really good holding power, right? So pre-drill first to make certain that you don't split your 2x4. Now it's time to attach our cleats, and we're going to use our reference line to make certain that we stay on track. See, that's it. Our cleats are attached and they're rock solid. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to set our cabinet in place over our cleats. Now that the cabinet is set in place, it's time to attach it to the cleats. We drill a couple of pilot holes and we secure the cabinet with screws. Okay, that's nice and flush and it's secure. Now what I have to do is I have to repeat the process on the other side of the cabinet. So the process is a pretty simple one, just the use of cleats that help secure any center island to a kitchen floor. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.